Nursery cartoon love journey with who I'm.
In a house where shadows softly play, a boy and his cat greet the break of day. With laughter like sunlight he dances around, while paws on the floor make a gentle sound. The cat, a small specter of silk and delight, chases sunbeams that dance with the light. They tumble through rooms filled with dreams yet untold, two hearts intertwined in a world made of gold. By windows adorned with flowers in bloom, they weave tales together that banish all gloom. The boy speaks in whispers to secrets unfurled, each purr from his friend is a song to the world. In corners they find every treasure and trinket, a lost button here or an old-fashioned linket. Through boxes and blankets their laughter ignites, exploring adventures on warm summer nights. Yet moments can turn like leaves in the fall, when silence descends with its heavy spun pole. The boy feels the weight of what's hidden away, his heart aches for shadows that silently sway. He holds close his feline who curls by his side, whispering stories where secrets abide. Together they navigate life's tender strife, for love is their compass, a map full of life. As twilight wraps gently round edges so sweet, with eyes like two lanterns their gazes repeat. In each fleeting moment shared soft as a sigh, they find joy in stillness as stars fill the sky. So remember this tale when you feel all alone, of a boy and his cat in a house called home. Through laughter and sorrow their bond will remain, two souls intertwined like sun. After eyes that they wore, they quacked in delight, let's dance and explore. The first one named Quacker, with moves so refined, twisted and twirled like he'd lost his mind. He wiggled his tail with a rhythm so slick, while nibbling on corn chips, what a fine pick! Then waddled Miss Daisy in her polka dot dress, she boogied with flair, oh my goodness, no less. With flaps of her wings and a wink in her eye, she spun like a whirlwind beneath the blue sky. Old Uncle Waddles was next up to shine. He hopped like a kangaroo after some wine. He slipped on some mustard and fell with great flair. Who knew picnics could lead to such despair? But laughter erupted as they all gathered round. They snorted and guffawed at their silliness found, with sandwiches flying from duck to duck's beak, and crumbs from their dancing scattered each week. Now Fredo the fowl took the stage with great zest. He brought out his banjo, it's truly the best. He strummed out a tune that made everyone sway. The ducks danced together till twilight turned gray. As stars sparkled down on this island soiree, the five little dancers just couldn't delay. They formed into circles, a duck conga line, a sight so absurd it was simply divine. So if you should wander where palm trees do lean, you might see five ducks in quite the scene, dancing through life with joy by their side, in picnics of laughter, where true friends abide. In the heart of a glimmering pond so bright, five ducks gathered under morning light. With feathers like rainbows they strutted with pride, in their little schoolhouse where dreams coincide. First was Ruby in crimson delight, with the quack that could echo through day and night. She painted the world with her laughter and song, and led all her friends when they wandered along. Then came Amber, a golden embrace. Her smile was sunshine, she lit up the space with stories of wonder she'd share every day. Her words danced like petals on breezes at play. Emerald followed with elegance rare in hues of deep forest and cool evening air. She taught them of nature's soft whispers and calls, the secrets of trees and the rise of the falls. Cerulean waddled in shades from the sea, his heart full of courage as vast as could be. He dreamed to fly high on wings made from clouds, an artist at heart who drew joy from the crowds. Last was Violet with grace wrapped around. Her voice was a melody sweetly profound, a poet by nature, each verse she'd compose of love for her friends and for life as it flows. Together they learned in their vibrant domain of friendship, sweet comfort through sunshine or rain. They splashed through their lessons with giggles galore, while growing together open wide every door. But one fateful day brought a shadow so near, a storm brewed above them, a flash filled with fear. Yet huddled together beneath skies turned gray, their colors shone brighter than clouds would betray. For 5 colorful ducks in their school stood so tall. Through trials and tempest, united they'd call. In joy or in sorrow our spirits align, for friendship's our treasure, it sparkles divine.